And you know that definition? It's the perfect lead-in to our first big concept, the absolutely revolutionary work of Howard Gardner himself and his theory of multiple intelligences.
So picture this. It's 1983. In his book Frames of Mind, Gardner comes along and basically challenges everything the world of psychology thought it knew. He argued against this idea of a single general intelligence. And instead, he said, wait a minute, we all have a whole range of different, separate intellectual abilities.
And here they are. It's a whole spectrum of smarts. We go way beyond the classic word smart of a great poet or the number smart of a scientist. Think about the body smart of an incredible dancer or athlete, or the music smart of a virtuoso musician. Gardner's whole point was that each of these is its own distinct form of intelligence, and every single one of them is valuable.
Now, that list is amazing, but let's zoom in on two that are all about us and how we relate to each other. First, you've got interpersonal intelligence, being people smart. That's your ability to really get what makes other people tick. And then there's intrapersonal intelligence, being self-smart. That's all about looking inward and understanding yourself, your own feelings, your fears, your motivations.
And you have to understand, these two ideas were a total game changer. By saying, hey, understanding yourself and other people is a form of intelligence, Gardner basically built a bridge to a whole new way of thinking, one that would completely change how we see the role of emotions in our lives.
Which of course brings us to our next major stop, emotional intelligence, or as you've probably heard it called, EQ.
So, building on what Gardner started, a couple of researchers, Jack Mayer and Peter Salovey, gave us this formal definition back in 1990. They defined EQ as a very specific skill. It's the ability to see and understand emotions in yourself and in others, and then use that information to guide how you think and act.
And let's get one thing straight right away. Emotional intelligence is not just about being nice or polite. Not at all. It's a concrete set of skills that helps you navigate your inner world and the world around you.